Welcome to Creating Fashion with Deb. Here I have some burping cloths. I have variety of it. Well, this is a receiving blanket here. Um, but we have this as well as this, and this is the front of what they look like, and this is the back. I will be putting that in the description box below too if you're interested in purchasing anything.